everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will tackle a common problem that many of us face: getting a good night's sleep in a room that's too bright. We are sharing some easy tips on how to block light from the top and sides of your curtains to make your room darker and improve your sleep quality. Now, let's dive in. 1. Use blackout curtains. The most effective way to block light is by using blackout curtains. These curtains are specially designed to prevent light from seeping through. Make sure to measure your windows accurately before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. Install the blackout curtains as close to the window frame as possible to minimize light gaps. 2. Add curtain liners. If you already have curtains that you love but they don't provide enough darkness, consider adding curtain liners. These are usually made of thick fabric or special light-blocking materials. Simply attach the liners to your existing curtains using clips or hooks. 3. Use Velcro strips. For a DIY solution, grab some Velcro strips. Attach one side of the Velcro to the top and sides of your curtains and the other side to the window frame. This helps create a snug fit and prevents light from sneaking in. 4. Install a cornice or valance. Another stylish option is to install a cornice or valance above your curtains. These decorative elements not only add a touch of elegance to your window but also block light from entering through the top. And there you have it, some easy tips on how to block light from the top and sides of your curtains. Whether you opt for blackout curtains, curtain liners, Velcro strips, or decorative cornices, these solutions will help you create a darker, more sleep-friendly environment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement tips.